Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. This video is going to be a mascara declutter. So since everybody's been posting these declutter videos, cleaning their collections, I figured I need to get in on this too. So I'm starting off with the mascaras. So here we go. So just in case you haven't been spending all your time watching YouTube, a declutter video is basically where you go through your collection, you show all the products, you can show swatches or talk about them, and then you basically say what you're going to keep or what you're going to trash. My declutter video is a little different because everything's going in the trash. The reason why everything's going in the trash is because they are mascaras. I do have sensitive eyes, and in the past I've had issues with getting pink eye. So I do not keep mascaras for that long. I wear mascara every day, so I can usually finish it before it like goes dry or goes bad. Unless it's just a crappy mascara, then I just stop using it. So, but I don't put old mascaras, putting the eye drops in and trying to bring it back to life. That's really not something I usually do. So I'm going to just go through all the ones I have amassed probably in the last couple months, tell you if I liked it, loved it, don't like it at all, and then I'm gonna chuck them in the trash. So here we go. I got a whole little baggie full of them. Shout out to Amazon for the free bag. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this one is Max Factor's Voluptuous False Lash Effect. I got this when I was in London, so this one is really old, so this is like years old, and I loved this mascara. First of all, look at the brush. It's a plastic bristle brush, but it has the bristles going in like a spiral, and I really love that. This was a great mascara. The issue was that because Max Factor, this was like a special collection for them. Everywhere was like, everyone was trying to get on it. When you went into the Superdrug, everybody was surrounding the display, and they only had black brown mascara left. So unfortunately, although I loved it, black mascara is a must for me. Like, I don't like a brown mascara. I have black hair, black lashes. It's just, that's my preference. So I was really, besides the color, that was the only thing off about that mascara. Everything else, perfect. This is, I actually have a new one of these that I'm using right now. Voluminous Million Lashes by L'Oreal. This is my go-to favorite mascara, one of my go-to favorite mascaras in the world. I will show you because it has my favorite kind of applicator, the plastic one. So this is a really good voluminous mascara that also gives you a little bit of length. Really good for sensitive eyes and drugstore affordable. So when it comes time to toss it, it hurts a lot less. So you guys hear them falling in the trash? All right. Next one is Big T's by Buxom. I didn't like this. I don't even know why. I should have returned this. Regular traditional brush is supposed to give you big plumping. It's a plumping mascara, which first of all, that makes no sense. Like lips, I get plumping. Lashes is volume. So if you say plumping, you're not plumping my individual lash like that. It doesn't even make sense. But I don't really like Buxom makeup like that. I love their lip glosses. Everything else from them that's not a lip product, I really haven't had a good experience with. So that goes in the trash. Alright, let's get some more mascaras. Ooh, this one I really loved. This is Clinique's High Impact Mascara. So this is another mascara that for some reason, I mean, Clinique is another brand that another reason doesn't get a lot of love. Like, Clinique's been around forever. A lot of people, you go to their house, they'll have that Clinique moisturizer or the Clinique cleanser, and nobody talks about it. So that's kind of weird. But I love this mascara. It has a really big, the big brushes I find are better for volume. So, it has a really big brush, so I like that. And it's really black. It lasts, great for sensitive eyes. I'm gonna have to get another one of these eventually. I have the Pat McGrath, a Voluminous, and the Fenty right now, plus a Tarte sample that I'm using. So I have a lot of mascaras going on. This one I'm gonna save. This is Inglott's Long For Mascara. I don't even know if Inglot makes this one anymore. This is real old, but I loved this brush. This brush used to be everything to me. It has like little short little bristles. You could get any which way. It was great on the bottom lash. I liked Inglot mascara. My issue with Inglot is that there is an Inglot store in New York. Sorry guys. There's an in-gloss store in New York, but it's right in the middle of Times Square, where there's like all these tourists and all this craziness, and my preference is to not go down there. So I just don't go to in-gloss because it's really not, it's less accessible for me. Like, if they started selling in-gloss in Sephora or something like that, Ulta, that'd be a whole nother story. But the fact that, I mean, I'm thankful for the store, because I do know a lot of places probably don't even have the in-gloss store, but it's just not my thing to really go down there. So don't go to in-gloss that much. NYX Big and Loud Lash Primer. Now, I love Lancome's lash primer, but the issue is that is, to me, like, I'm paying for the high-end mascara, now I'm paying for a high-end primer. Like, this is adding up. So I was in a phase where I was like, let me try and find a less expensive primer. Now, I don't like this primer because this is one of the ones with the furries in it, to like the fibers to extend, and sometimes that causes a negative effect with another mascara. You get what I'm saying? So I would use it, and then mascaras would clump that necessarily don't clump when I use it, and it was causing a lot of issues with my mascara, so I kind of just let that one go. Buxom, another one. This came in the kit with the Big T's one. It was like multiple ones, and this is just the regular lash mascara. This one I liked a little bit better because, as you can see, that wand is plastic and little short bristles, just like the ones I like. So I like this one better, but not enough that I'm gonna buy it again. Buxom is just not that special when it comes to mascaras. Not to me anyway. If there's like a new one that they have, let me know if y'all like it, but other than that, nah, I'm good. Alright, so Mentor Big Lancome. I have a video about this. This mascara is trash. I feel like the only reason why I even got this was because I was watching QVC one day. It has a big brush, and you would think that meant good payoff and great lashes and the way it would work, but that's not the case at all. This is a crappy mascara. It dries flaky, it smudges, all of the reasons why we hate it. Here we go, boom. Next, I like this one, NYX Color Mascara. So the Benefit Colored Mascara is the one I really like, but you know, can't wear that all the time. With the blue mascaras, those are my favorite because those go the best, I feel like, with brown eyes. And then you put like little blue liner, it really pops. So this is NYX is my favorite one besides the Benefit. Is NYX is the next one. I don't even know if Benefit still makes those because that was a while ago. Ugh, this crappy mascara. Mally's Lift and Curl Mascara. It doesn't lift, it doesn't curl, it stings. And it has this weird wonky bended brush. Nope. And I got two of these. That was such a waste. I'm never buying Mally Cosmetics ever again. Another Voluminum lashes. Apparently I just keep these around. This is my fave, so I have so many of them, so I believe it. The next one is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I like this. This is one of the few products that when there's hype about it, I understand the reason. I didn't like the brush that much. I would have preferred a plastic brush, but it worked, and that's what matters. It volumized, lengthened at the same time. A really great mascara. It just dries out really fast, so that was disappointing when I got that. But the dupe for it is Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Yep, L'Oreal. So of course, once that dried out so quickly for $20-something, I was like, I'm gonna get the drugstore dupe. And it literally has the same kind of brush and the similar formula. It's just $10 cheaper. So Voluminous Lash Paradise, if you like the Better Than Sex, you should get that next. So I have two of them. That was the waterproof one that just went in the trash, and then this is the regular black one. So yeah, this is the regular black one, same formula, same brush. Super cute mascara, but not my fave. Like I said, even though the Better Than Sex, they both work really good, it's just that they're not my favorite ones to wear. They don't give me the most length and the most volume, so I didn't really keep them around. Okay, so I do have about 4 mascaras in the rotation right now. So like I said, I always keep a new voluminous lash on hand because that's my favorite and I always need her around. The next one that I have is the Pat McGrath. She's getting a little old, but I'm using the mess out of her. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. That is high end. She's just the best. I'm going to show you guys. I showed you the aluminum brush earlier, so I'm just going to show the Pat McGrath brush. And this is a big, full, just fluffy kind of brush. The plastics are my favorite, but because this formula performs so well, it's worth it. Next is the Fenty. Did not like this mascara. Every product can't be a hit, but this stuff burns like the dickens. Like, I hate wearing this mascara, but I refuse to. I can't take it back now, so I just be forcing myself to do it. But it really, really burns. If you have sensitive eyes, do not get the Fenty mascara. And then I have the Surfer Curl by Tarte. I'm trying this one out, and I really, really like it. I've been using it for the last couple of weeks. I think it's great, and it's a clean mascara, and it does not burn. It lasts all day, so I really, really love this. That's the brush for that one. So those are my 4 mascaras that I'm wearing right now. So these are really ones that I really like besides the Fenty, and I mean, I've been rocking them. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my mascara dump video. Pro tip, you should probably touch your mascaras every 2 to 3 months. Mascara is not one of those things where you want to hoard them or keep them for that long, because you only get 2 eyes, and it's already bad enough you're putting makeup so close to them, so you definitely want to make sure it's not old makeup. So thanks so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you at the next video.